To swap your Trust Wallet login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device and tapping on the settings icon, usually represented by 3 lines or a gear. From the settings menu, select the account or wallet option. Then tap on the Export Wallet button. You will be asked to enter your wallet password to confirm the action. So type it in and proceed. Trust Wallet will then provide you with a recovery phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet. Write down this recovery phrase and keep it in a safe place, as it can be used to access your wallet. Next, go to the device where you want to swap your Trust Wallet login. Open the Trust Wallet app and tap on the Import Wallet option. You will be asked to enter the recovery phrase you wrote down earlier. So type it in and proceed. Trust Wallet will then ask you to create a new wallet password. So choose a strong and unique password and confirm it. Your wallet will now be imported to the new device, and you can access your account using the new password. It is essential to note that the recovery phrase is the key to your wallet, so make sure to keep it safe and secure. Never share it with anyone, as they can use it to access your wallet and steal your funds. Additionally, always use a strong and unique password for your wallet, and enable 2-factor authentication whenever possible. This will add an extra layer of security to your wallet and protect your funds from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily swap your Trust Wallet login and access your account from a new device. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your recovery phrase and wallet password safe.